Welcome back. Today is all about Thai milk tea, and we are going to make 3 ways. We're going to make it in hot Thai milk tea, iced Thai milk tea, and also Frappe or blended Thai milk tea. If you have a copy of my book, All Things Milk Tea, the recipes are in here for 2 different ways of preparing them. One is using traditional pour-over method, and the other one is using the espresso machine. For today's recipes, I am going to show you how to make them using the espresso machine. But we are going to make them differently. In Thailand, there is a mandate that all drinks must have 50% sweetness level. That means if you're using 1 tablespoon of sugar in the past, it should now be 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. So we are going to change the recipes that I have in my book to make the sweetness level half. So for the recipes today, I am going to use only sweetened condensed milk and also evaporated milk. And for the tea, I am going to use this tea, which is the most popular brand in Thailand. It is Chatramu Red. And for the hot Thai milk tea, I am going to use fresh milk. And also for the blended or the Frappe version, I am going to use, as usual, my Frappe base here. And then I'm going to add whipped cream on top and decorate with caramel sauce. So if this makes you excited, stick around until the end of this video tip. We are going to start with making hot Thai milk tea. And for this, I'm going to use a largest cup. This is a 12-ounce paper cup. Typical milk tea are served in large cups. And I am going to show you how to brew using an espresso machine. So for those with coffee shops that serve Thai tea, you can use a double basket, double spout portafilter here, 2 scoops of my Thai tea. So I'm going to put all of that in my portafilter. So if you look at this one, the basket is quite full. Now when it gets wet, it will still bloom and it will expand. But we'd really like it to be strong. So what you need to do is to lock it in there, and then we are going to pull our Thai tea. So I've got here a strainer. You don't need to use this, it's just me. Now this is how I do it. What we need will be 90 ml or 3 ounces. But the first thing I have to do is to just let some of the water flow through the basket, and then we are going to wait for a few seconds before we pull the rest, which is a total of 90 ml. So whilst that is happening, I'm going to prepare the milk. So the milk here is about 200 milliliters, and then we are going to pull the rest of our Thai tea, bringing it up to 3 ounces or 90 ml. So this is a very concentrated brew. And I'm going to pour this into my serving cup. And in the past, I would use 30 ml of sweetened condensed milk. This time, I'm just going to add 15 ml of sweetened condensed milk. For those that do not like sweetness at all, you can skip the sweetened condensed milk. And now to pour the milk into the cup. Beautiful Thai milk tea in 12-ounce cup, hot version. 1 drink down, let's go to the second drink. This time we are going to make iced Thai milk tea in large 700 milliliters or 22 ounces cups. The ingredients are now just down to 3. We have 2 scoops of Thai tea. We have condensed milk and evaporated milk. So as usual, we're going to let some of the water pass through, let it bloom, and now we are going to prepare our other ingredients. In this case, we are going to reduce the sweetness level. In the past, I was using 50 of the sweetened condensed milk and 25 ml of evaporated milk. This time, to make this less sweet, we're going to reverse. 25 ml of sweetened condensed milk and 50 ml of evaporated milk. For those that are making milk syrup, all you have to do is to mix this, but reverse. So more evaporated milk than sweetened condensed milk, and the total of this is 75 milliliters for a 22-ounce cup. So let's finish this. I need 150 ml, 25 ml of sweetened condensed milk, and then 50 ml of evaporated milk. And that's very simply a 22-ounce Thai milk tea with reduced sweetness. 2 drinks down, let's proceed to our final drink of the day, and it is going to be Thai milk tea in blended or frappe version. Again, in large 22 ounces cup. For the ingredients, we're going to use the same Thai tea. We're going to use 60 ml of evaporated milk, 30 ml of condensed milk. This is now reversing it, making it less sweet. And to make the drink smoother, I'm going to add my frappe base, which is 1 tablespoon. And to decorate, I'm going to use the caramel sauce and, of course, whipped cream. Pull our Thai tea from the espresso machine. There's 2 scoops of the Thai tea into my basket. What we need this time will be just 120 ml or 4 ounces. Whilst we're waiting for our tea to bloom there, let's prepare all the other ingredients. So I have here my evaporated milk, 60 ml, sweetened condensed milk, 30 ml. This is the only sweetness that we are using here. For some it might be not sweet enough, but then, well, I think you should give this a try. I'm going to add my frappe base here, 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to pull the rest and bring it up to 4 ounces. So using a strainer here helps because I could still see some of the sediments here, making it really double filter. So add this into my mix there. For the ice, I have here a portion scoop, which is good for 20 ounces. I need full ice there and just a little bit more. So my blender is programmed to blend from low to high speed within 1 minute, so I really didn't have to do much there. If you have a good industrial blender, then it helps a lot. So if you're planning to invest in a blender, I would suggest get one that is programmable. It's a little bit watery because the drink was hot. Thai tea was hot. Whipped cream. Caramel sauce on top. 3 drinks here, Thai tea in frapped or blended version, Thai milk tea ice, and hot Thai milk tea. Now I feel like this is not attractive enough, so it's not premium enough, especially if you're using espresso machine. I suggest you add milk foam on top, and to make the milk foam you can check the link above. Okay, so there you go. It looks more premium now. I am happy with this. 3 drinks that are supposed to have 50% sweetness level. If you're making it hot, whenever you use the espresso machine, the milk tends to be sweeter, so you can even skip the sweetened condensed milk here. And now for the iced Thai milk tea in 22 ounces, less sweet. It's not too bad. In fact, if you were me, I don't even put sweetened condensed milk. I use only plain evaporated milk. So if you're looking for something even less sweet and yet satisfying, you can also skip the condensed milk, but this one is just perfect for me for those days that I feel like I need some treat. Now this is absolutely looking very tempting here with the caramel sauce on top. Let's find out how it tastes like. Icy, not very sweet. Again, I think that for those that are looking for something comforting, you can make it a bit sweeter, but absolutely this is perfect for those that are wanting to reduce their sugar level and yet still want to have an occasional Thai milk tea. So there you go, Thai milk tea, 3 ways, hot, ice, and blended version here at Chow. If you have any questions at all about any of these recipes, do let me know in the comment below. And if you don't have a copy of my book yet, All Things Milk Tea, you can check the description box for details on how to order. I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.